Hi, and welcome to the Military Magazine channel. In this issue, we will talk in detail about the M777 howitzer. Joe Biden sends M777 howitzers as part of military aid package, with unparalleled tactical and strategic mobility. The battle-proven 39 caliber M777 sets the standard for modern, reliable fire support in the most hostile environments. Mobile forces require quality systems that are quick and easy to transport. Initially developed for the U.S. Marine Corps and the U.S. Army as their next-generation medium force weapon, the M777 has become the benchmark for 155mm light-weight towed artillery systems, highly portable by land, sea and air. The system features a minimal logistical footprint alongside maximum reliability. This means that it can be frequently moved and redeployed, maximizing survivability, without encountering the added risks faced by self-propelled systems. The M777 can strike over extended distances, regardless of terrain and obstacles. To date, the M777 howitzer has been selected by U.S., Canadian, Australia, and Indian forces, with total orders currently exceeding 1,200. The fighting in Afghanistan, in which the United States and its allies took an active part, clearly showed that the towed artillery systems in service are rather bulky and poorly suited for fighting in mountainous areas. Under these conditions, the U.S. Marine Corps was for some time forced to use more mobile, but at the same time less powerful fire weapons, such as mortars. The new field-towed 155mm M777A2 howitzer, which is the lightest howitzer of its class in the world, was able to change the situation. In the Army, she replaced the main towed howitzer M198, significantly surpassing it in mobility and transportation capabilities. The M777 howitzer was developed by the British defense company BAE Systems. The main operator of this howitzer is the U.S. Army. In total, the Armed Forces of the United States placed an order for the supply of 1,001 howitzers, 580, the Marine Corps, 421, the Army and the National Guard. Currently, up to 70% of all parts used in the production of howitzers are of American origin, including its barrel, which is manufactured in the Waterlight Arsenal. The total amount of the American order, apparently, exceeds $2 billion. M777 became the first field howitzer, in the design of which titanium and aluminum alloys were widely used in the production. Thanks to this, it was possible to achieve a much lower gun weight compared to other similar 155mm artillery systems. For comparison, the weight of the Soviet-made 152mm to-be-towed howitzer, which is still in service with the Russian army and some CIS countries, is 7 tons. The M777 is intended to replace the obsolete M198 howitzers. The new howitzer has improved characteristics, and most importantly, significantly less weight. It is almost 2 times lighter than the M198. The M198 weighs 7,154 kilograms, and the M777 is only 4,218 kilograms. Thanks to a significant reduction in weight, the new howitzer has become more mobile and transportable. So, for example, the howitzer can be transported on the external sling of CH-47 Chinook medium transport helicopters and V-22 Osprey converted planes. If we talk about C-130 Hercules transport aircraft, then one such transport aircraft is able to take on board 2 M777A2 howitzers at once instead of one M198 howitzer. The howitzer was actively used by the American and Canadian military in Afghanistan and Iraq. The Taliban reportedly nicknamed the howitzer the Desert Eagle. The new howitzer is able to use all types of ammunition developed for its predecessor. At the same time, its main advantage is ease of transportation, speed of deployment, high survival rate. The M777 towed field howitzer is part of the DFCS digital fire control system, which provides gunners with the ability to receive target coordinates directly from the fire control center and use the GPS global navigation system to determine the location and subsequent firing of targets. Reducing the time of receiving and entering incoming data allows for a greater rate of fire. Under normal conditions, The rate of fire of the howitzer is 2 rounds per minute. The maximum rate of fire is 5 rounds. The maximum length of the howitzer in combat position is 10.7 meters. The minimum length during transport is 9.5 meters. Barrel length 39 calibers. The minimum number of calculation can be 5 people. For M198 howitzers, the number of calculation was 9 people. The M777 howitzer provides engagement of targets located at a distance of up to 24.7 kilometers with conventional ammunition and at a distance of up to 30 kilometers with rocket boosters. The maximum speed of the projectile is up to 2,900 kilometers h, while, despite the small mass, the howitzer does not get out of balance at the time of the shot. The A2 howitzer version uses updated software that allows the gun mount to use 155mm M982X caliber guided artillery shells with a satellite guidance system in combat. The use of these shells allows the M777 A2 howitzer to fire at targets located at a distance of up to 40 kilometers. In this case, the circular probable deviation is only 10 meters.
Deflection 3174, quadrant 396.
Commissioner M,
Right.
ready, drop.
Straight up.
Zero to the rear. Hands clear. What's marked line?
Stopper.
Hit the next one. All right.
Deflection 3174,
Jack.
quadrant 396.
Jack.
Alright, they keep back lit.
No warning, Mr. Griffin.
Get forward.
Fire with a white.
Fire. Let's run.